Hello friend, welcome to my channel once again. Friend, today I am going to upload an essay on my mother for primary student in a very beautiful handwriting and cursive writing in English. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, put like and share my video. Thank you very much. Let's we start. My mother, an essay for the primary student. I am Gopi. I live in a joint family. I love all the members of my family, but I love my mother most. My mother's name is Kiranben. She is 42 years old. She wears a Gujarati sari. She is slim and looks very beautiful. Her nature is very kind. She looks after the whole family. She wakes early in the morning. She wakes me up in the morning for the school. She prepares breakfast and tiffins for the children. She cooks tasty and healthy food for the whole family. She also helps me and my brother and cousins with our homework. She also takes care of my grandparents. At bedtime, she tells us lovely story. My mother is my best friend, teacher and guide. I love my mother. I am very proud of her. Thank you very much.